Welcome to roadsigns.uk.com. In this short video, we are going to show you how to fix a road sign to a standard signpost. First, we will start with the components. A road sign with rear channel, a 76mm post, and 76mm stainless steel clip fittings. Start by sliding the base of the clip through the rear channel. Next, slide the assembly over the post. Now, insert the bolt by sliding it through the channel. Finally, tighten the fixing bolt. And here is the final assembly. Be sure to visit our website for all your road sign needs. Link in the description.